So, quick overview of insulin because I'm going to be talking about this as we go. Again, it's the hormone that your pancreas makes in response of you eating foods, right? It can be any food, not just carbohydrate. So, the role of this insulin, which is a hormone, is to act like the key to open the door so that what we consume gets into the cell and it's utilized for fuel. So, pretty much our body can be normal metabolizing blood sugar, or it can be storing it in the bloodstream. And this happens again when you eat very constantly. So if you fast and if you have prediabetes or insulin resistance, when you fast you allow the glucose to enough time for it to be used for fuel. And then the glucose stored in the liver and in muscle actually gets used instead of it being stored, and then you being in a excess of glucose, the whole day. So as you can see, we would want to be making sure that the buildup of glucose is used. In the other way, how fasting helps with aging and with a healthy liver and with gut health and a hormonal balance is because we are not asking the pancreas to be working ongoingly. So again, every time we eat, the pancreas has to work. And that work impacts the liver and impacts the heart and impacts the lung and impacts the gut. So the more you leave your organs at rest, the more they can do their thing. So when you give your pancreas a rest, there's no insulin that it's made, and therefore you can tap into your fat storages. Again, if you are someone who is grazing and you want to break the habit, I think this would be a great idea, because just in case you didn't know, when you graze and when you nibble, you're more likely to eat more amounts of those favorite foods, which will end up adding sugar and fat and calories. So that also runs your blood sugar high. Even if it's an apple and you ate at 12 and you're eating an apple at 2, why eat that apple if you really didn't need it? You might as well have if you have the chance to have a good dense meal to last you over the next maybe 4 or 5 hours, so that the body is kind of ready for that next meal, and so that your insulin is not always high, and so that your pancreas, the beta cells that are in the pancreas, don't burn out.